Hello everyone! In this video, you'll learn how to use the delta L sensor to measure shear displacement. Start by turning on the sensor. Remove the battery cover, take the battery out of its packaging, then insert it into the designated compartment. Then put the cover back on. Once on site, use the template to mark your reference points 10 cm and 4 cm on either side of the crack. Next, drill at the marked points with a 10 mm bit to a depth of about 6 cm. Insert the set of anchors and screws into the JC1 gauges, then do the same for the JC2 gauges. Using a Phillips screwdriver and a hammer, gradually drive in the screws by tapping them until you achieve a stable and firmly secured attachment to the support. Before each measurement, calibrate the sensor according to the appropriate calibration procedure. Then turn on the tool and place the delta L2 on the JC2 gauge, rotating it until you hear a click, making sure to keep it as close to the wall as possible. Position the elastic band in the groove of the ribbed ball, then gently tilt the head to bring the stainless steel ring into contact with the JC1 gauge. Place the base of the delta L on the IC1 gauges. Hold the two smooth balls around the digital display, then make a slight pivoting motion to properly secure the tool onto the metal rings. Stabilize the pressure and note the displayed value. The first measurement will serve as a reference. The following measurements will allow you to precisely monitor the evolution of the crack opening over time.